All right, welcome back, you fabulous fourth graders, math masters of Virtual Room 502. And we're going to use an area model to represent the multiplication of a two-digit multiple of 10 by a two-digit multiple of 10. In this case, it is 50 times 40. What will that equal? Go ahead and get out your whiteboard because marker or scratch paper and pencil because you are copycats. All right, so 50 times 40. Let's start off like we did with the concept development part 2. And we're going to make a rectangle. And we have 40, our 4 tens. So I'm going to go like this. Make a bracket, 4 tens, right? And there's 10, 20, 30, and 40. So I'm going to put a 10, 10, 10, and 10. Over here, this side is going to represent 5 tens, right? So we have 10, 20, 30, oh, that's really crazy, 40 and 50. All right, so I have 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, 10 here. We know each of these are 10 times 10, so there's 100. How many hundreds are there? Well, we could just go 5 tens times 4 tens if we like, right? So 5 times 4 is 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. So you have 20 tens, 20 hundreds all together. Pardon me. And what do 20 hundreds equal? Well, 10 hundreds is 1,000. 20 hundreds would be 2,000. And there we have it. One way to do it. But we're not going to be satisfied with that. Let's make a place value chart. And watch this. This was kind of interesting, I thought. Eureka Math always has some interesting things. I think let's make the place value chart going all the way up to the thousands. And it would be ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We're still looking at 50 times 40. What does it equal? We're going to kind of break this down a little bit and show that 40 is 4 tens, right? So we could also say this. We could break this down to being, we're going to prove that 20 times 10 times 10, what will that equal? Think about it. Well, let's find out. So we're going to have 20, right? We're going to multiply it by 10. And what do we get? 2 hundredths, right? And then we're going to multiply it by 10 again. And we get, what do we have? 2,000, the same as 50 times 40. 2,000 and 2,000. Isn't that interesting? I think it is. So 20 times 10 times 10 equals 2,002. Voila. Do one more way, and this is kind of the way that I think you'll be working with and understanding this, because I think you probably are getting it, I hope. Okay, once again, we could have 50 over here and 40 over here, but we're not going to do all those checks. We're just going to say, okay, let's think about this. It's 5 tens times 4 tens. What will that equal? 5 times 4 is 20. 10 times 10 is 100, right? So we're down to 20 times 100, right? Just like we were all back here. So I know that 20 times 1, right, is 20. And then we add on those 2 zeros, and we get 2,000. So 5 times 4 is 20. And then remember all those grids? So we did 20 times 100 equals 2,000. And there you have it. That's the end of the concept development. Please go get your problem set. That's what's up next. And we'll do that together. We're going to do it a little differently now that you're hopefully used to virtual Mr. Leggett. Going to do a little more independent work on your problem set. All right, we'll see you in a few minutes. Take a stretch break, get some water, grab a snack, say hi to mom and dad, do all that stuff you do up at Anza.